Welcome back to my channel, sweets guys. If you're new on this channel, you're most welcome. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do it to hit on the subscribe and feel free to support this channel by using the buy me coffee link or the super thanks. Shout out to all my supporters, super thanks, buy me coffee supporters. Thank you guys so much. So today we are going to be checking the response to Ambler Siren at Warsaw. I've checked a few videos, few countries and how they responded to Ambler Siren, but today we are going to be doing this for Warsaw, and let's get right into this video, guys. I know that whenever there's an emergency, the emergency car itself is supposed to be in the middle so that it gives opportunity for other riders to go to the left and the right. I think always more easier for the road to be cleared up and for easy access of the emergency car, and I've seen that over and over in several videos, and I see it's playing out slightly in this video. He's somewhat at the middle and other cars are trying to create a space in that middle for the rider. There isn't any traffic on the road actually. Makes sense. The road is free. Oh wow. This response is great. Although the road is free actually. Oh. Wow. Wow. Be fast. Wow, that was great. I saw the guy trying to make a way. Wow, every car is waiting for them. Wow, I see what they are trying to do there. Everybody's trying to wait and clear the road for the emergency vehicle. That's really impressive. What's going on?
Hej, ty małgi do przodu.
Whoa, that was a nice one. At some point, I thought the police car was together with the ambulance. Oh well. I mean, looking at this from their lens, their camera lens, these drivers that drive emergency vehicle are professionals because the speed he's coming with and when he have to slow down when their car's trying to clear up is just too professional. Like from inside, I'm like, whoa, with this speed, don't emergency vehicle themselves used to have accident, but it's a professional driver. Wow. That was fun to watch. I mean, watching the driving from their lens is entertaining, and I also love the response of the people. Although there wasn't much traffic for us to see the actual response that they would have been if there was like very much car on the road. But it already tells that they are really oriented on how to respond to ambulance siren, and this is super amazing. Thank you guys for sitting and watching up to this time, and until next time.